Ramogi jongo woge mago matimore county mano Machakos kendo koro aranga nene nyaka sani gik mage mosebedo kata katimore achiel kachiel oden warangi nyaka sani weche mosebedo katimore rombe mopogore pacho kata sani romo jatend piny Kenya nitiere. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto otelo e romo mar keto mwandu e Afrika madhi nyime boma ma Nairobi. Jatend piny bende ogolo paro mar pinje mag Afrika tiyo kod omenda gi timo ohala kar geno ka geno nitiere ni dola e kindgi bende nyalo wero ni chalo nade. Olero ni mae biro yawo thuolo mar dongo ohala e kind pinjegi. Oloso e kinde mano yawo romo no mano kelo kanyakla jotend migepe mag ohala mawuok e pinje mopogore e Afrika.
We are all struggling, and all our businessmen are struggling, and our traders are struggling to make payments for goods and services from one country to another because of differences in currencies. And in the middle of all this, we are all subjected to a dollar environment. Kenyans want to pay for Tanzanian goods in dollars. Tanzania wants to pay for DRC goods in dollars. Egypt wants to pay. Why are we bringing dollars in the middle of our trade? This is the question we should be asking ourselves. And in the process, all our business people are stranded. Egypt cannot pay for our tea because they are looking for dollars. We cannot pay for their sugar because we are also looking for dollars. You know? And this is I had a conversation with President Orama of the Afri-Exim Bank, and they have built a mechanism where all our traders can trade in the local currency, and we leave it to the Africa-Exim Bank to settle all the payments in local currency.
Ramogi jongo report makamano mabende wayudo kanja fama